Creepsy Good Food and welcome to Boss the Basics. Here we're going to take things right back to the beginning and we're going to be cooking our signature muffins. A really simple recipe that's all mixed in one bowl. I'm going to be using chocolate chips or chocolate chunks, but you could use blueberries or dried fruit or anything else you want. So first up, let's run through our ingredients. So we've heated our oven to 180 degrees fan, which is 200 conventional. We've lined a 12-hole muffin tin with muffin liners. We've got 400 grams of self-raising flour, 250 grams of golden caster sugar, 100 grams of chocolate chunks or chocolate chips, 125 millilitres of vegetable or sunflower oil, 250 millilitres of milk, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of salt, and I'm adding a splash of vanilla. Now the easiest thing about this recipe is everything's mixed in one bowl and then goes straight into the cases. I'm going to make 12 large muffins, but the mix can make like 20 smaller muffins. So first up, we need to get all our wet ingredients together. So we're going to crack 2 eggs into our bowl. Remember, crack the eggs on a flat surface, not on the side of the bowl, and there's less chance of shell going in your bowl. So 2 eggs. Then we're just going to give those a really good whisk together. When all the white and the yolk's been completely incorporated, we're going to add our oil and our milk. Oil goes in, and then our milk. Now I'm adding a splash of vanilla extract to this. You could add citrus peel or any other flavourings you want. So I want about half a teaspoon of vanilla. And in that goes. Then we're just going to incorporate all of our sugar. We want to mix that so everything's completely combined. Then the next bit, which is quite important, we're going to add our flour and our salt. Once the flour and the salt's gone in, you don't want to overwork it because that's how you get tough muffins. Tough muffins that don't rise properly. We're literally going to stir the flour through, then we're going to add our chocolate chips, then we're ready to go. Flour, just a decent pinch of salt. That's going to go in. At this point, you really don't want to overwork the flour. We're literally just going to stir the flour through, and as soon as we've got a smooth batter, we're going to add the chocolate and we're ready to bake. As soon as the batter practically smooth, we're just going to fold through our chocolate. So we've got 100 grams of chocolate. I couldn't get chocolate chips, so I've used some chocolate in the back of my fridge, which I've just chopped up. Let's stir that in. And once that's mixed, we're ready to bake. So now we're just going to fill our muffin cases, and we want it to go practically to the top. We want the muffin mixture to rise up and muffin top just over the cases. So it's 2 large spoonfuls of mixture each. muffins a little extra, I like to sprinkle the tops with a bit of sugar. This isn't essential, just to give them a bit of crunch as they cook. Now our muffins have had about 20 minutes, we're just going to see if they're ready. I just need to insert a skewer into the middle of the muffin, and I want it to come out clean, so no cake mixture whatsoever on the skewer. That's clean, the muffins are ready. We're just going to leave them to cool on a rack and then they're ready to eat. So there we have our golden, melty chocolate, signature BBC Good Food muffins. I'm Barney Desmazery, this has been Boss the Basics. Remember, stay safe, get cooking.